friends, Running Kimono here. So we are looking at the best paper deals over at Walgreens for the week of April the 5th to the 11th. Some of this will be done curbside, some of this will be done in store. And there's a lot of cheaper, fancy papers. If you don't like generic, this is definitely the week to stock up. So the first part of the video, we are looking at curbside. So that means you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, putting in your order, paying for it, and then driving to the store and picking it up. And that is lovingly known as your curbside pickup. So without further ado, let's get right into this. The first one is a curbside pickup deal. And for this basket, we are grabbing 2 of these Scott's toilet papers. If you didn't use your 2 off 2 manufacturer last week, you can use it this week. There's also a $1.25 store coupon, which amounts to $2.50 off a 2. So we have a manufacturer and a store working in concert. And then just to show you, like, what do they look like? You just look below and then you would load the coupons. And the next item we're grabbing is the $5 Walgreens, the toilet paper or the paper towels for $5. And we have a $1.50 store coupon. So throwing 2 of them into a cart, that's $10. And then the $1.50 times 2, that's $3 coming off automatically. They do the math automatically. You don't have to load the coupon twice or twirl around 18 times at your desktop computer. It just happens automatically, especially for the new shoppers out there who might be nervous. You can also use the code WAG10 for this basket. And you're saving an additional 70 cents. So if you would do this deal in store, you're not saving that 70 cents. And for some of us, it's definitely worth it. Overall basket, guys, is $20. We have $6.20 melting off with WAG 10 and the other promotions. Another $2 melting off in manufacturer coupons. So the total here is $12.63. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it. Pay the $2.63 and then that's it. It's just a no booster, just using straight Walgreens cash deal on a curbside pickup for paper. You're getting 4 nice units of paper and I think it's just a great deal. Go and make this one happen. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at curbside is we're grabbing some of these 6 counters of the Ultra Soft or the Ultra Strong. This toilet paper, very, 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 very similar to Charmin. Maybe even made in the same factory. I don't know because I don't work at the factory, but I'm thinking it is because I bought these soft and then this seems like Charmin. They're $3.50 each. So tossing 3 of them into a basket, it's $10.50 if you wanted to try this toilet paper. And we can use the code WAG10 to save an additional $1.05. So hey, that's nothing to sneeze at. The overall total for your basket is $15. WAG10 taking a $1.05 off. $10.02. Use $10 in Walgreens cash and call this a smart little deal for 3 units of this paper if you want to try it out. The next deal that we're looking at is in store because it's involving Register Rewards. Register Rewards in store only. Grabbing 2 of these Brawnies, 2 equals 6, and these are really large rolls. The promotion is when you buy 2 of these, you're getting back a $5 register reward. This promotion happens every quarter. It's not often, so if you want to get this fancier paper towel, by all means do it this week. Grabbing 2 of these for $12.98, subtracting your dollar digital, you're paying $11.98, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $6.98 for the 2 or $3.49 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Also, if you might have register rewards, say that $7 one from Neutrogena or a Colgate one, throw those in so you're not feeling this one out of pocket. Final deal that we're looking at is deal number 4. Now, I did check this morning. There are no manufacturer coupons for the Quilted Northern or the Angel Soft. Maybe your account might have it. Mine certainly doesn't. This 16 equals 64. Look how impressive of the thickness of those rolls. Whoa. I mean, that's toilet paper for a really long time. And then if you're a fan of Quilted Northern, you know we don't often get really great deals on this. So for this one, I would definitely use a mix of Walgreens cash or register rewards. Use them smartly, and using them on this I think is a smart move. So grabbing say 2 Quilted or an Angel Soft and a Quilted, whatever you want to do, that's $21.98. You're getting back a $5 register reward. It makes it $16.98 for the 2. Yes, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. If you might have register rewards from other promotions, such as that $7 Neutrogena, throw them into this because this is a larger out of pocket. But if you are a fan of Quilted, you know, get it on the cheap that way. No booster deal, obviously, if you're using Walgreens cash as well. Before I take off into the big sunset, I just wanted to tell you guys that over on the Walmart app, there's a $5 cashback on the Charmin Forever roll. So it's been on a rollback for a couple of weeks in my market for $29.97. Subtracting this, it makes the roll and the handle or the starter kit $24.97. It's still a bit too rich for me, but I'm loading that Walmart cash and hopefully the rollback goes down to like $20. Whenever it does, I'll let you guys know right away, but I'm still not paying $24.97 for this. If they can get 20 or less, I really want to try this. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.